is Swati Mahajan. I am a student of MIT second year, Special Education, Multiple Disabilities. I am studying in NIEPMD, Chennai.
I am Mokshada. I am pursuing B.Ed Special Education, Multiple Disabilities.
My name is Munu Adi. I am doing M.Ed Special Education in NIEPMD.
Hi, I'm Sharon from Vidyasagar. I was introduced to Trinayani kit when I was in my B.Ed first year, and since then we have been playing it as a part of our curriculum, and also when a person who is not in the disability sector visits our organization, we play it with them for them to know the basic etiquettes of disability and to get a basic idea about disability.
Because I have a daughter who is 7 years old, I don't have to make it cringe by telling her this is autism, this is cerebral palsy, this is VI, they face these issues and stuff like that. So I always think how I can make this information available for her. Now we have a play kit, right? So with that, I think it is easy for me to play with her and let the information reach her about the disability.
Not only did I enjoy playing the games, but because of the games I got to learn a lot of things that I didn't know in the field of disabilities.
Me as a special educator, we feel that it's like not at all passive. It was very active, it was engaging and like not boring at all, and it is giving very much awareness around PWD, CWSN.
Numbers. Draw the Braille type. Then you have to draw the Braille type.
Both wheels are for crippled and disabled.
See, it says what is the usage of the